Hey, so welcome back to North Fork. I'm Derek. Thanks for joining us today. So today we got a something pretty exciting to talk about. We bought a skid steer. So yesterday I went to my friend's and he had the skid steer that he wanted to sell, and so I bought it. I've been looking at it for a couple weeks, talking to him about it. Hadn't really planned on doing this. Wasn't really in my plans for what we're doing here, but definitely will be a good asset for us. Definitely be a good tool for us to use. It's going to be they're very versatile. Be a nice addition to the equipment that I have here and the things that we do around NorthForkHollow here. So we're going to take a look at it today. It's going to probably not be a very long video, but it's going to be seen a lot around here and a lot of videos coming up. Got a lot of plans for it. So, all right, let's take a look at what we got. All right, so the skid steer that we bought is a Bobcat 773. It's a little older Bobcat, but the thing is in very good condition. The paint's not the greatest on it, but you know, mechanically it's a very solid machine. Take a look back here. It's powered by a Kubota 50 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. You can see it's very clean. It's only got 1,000 hours on it. You can see right here on the filters. It was changed a year and a half ago, and it's only got probably 20 hours since then. Again, very mechanically sound. The outside doesn't look the best. You know, it is 30 years old, but it's something that's going to work great for us here at North Fork. So, see the inside. It's got the joystick controls. Bobcat calls it the AHC Advanced Hand Controls. So it's got the nice joysticks on there. It's got the auxiliary ports on the front, so we can run the equipment out the front. Regular bucket, a tooth bucket on the front. Did come with a set of forks, came with a set of chains all around. So the machine does have some mechanical issues that I need to work on. Nothing major, but just a couple of little annoying things. I'll detail that in another video. I'll do video covering, you know, the things that we do to fix this, to improve this, and we'll make that a separate video. So right now, just introducing you to the new skid steer, to the Bobcat 773 that you'll be seeing around here. So we're going to start it up. We're going to take it for a little ride. And so I've never used a skid steer very much. A little bit here and there. My father-in-law's got one. I've used it on a couple other projects. And so I've never really driven a whole lot. I understand the ideas, the concepts of it. But as far as being comfortable with the controls, it's not something that I'm very comfortable with. But just like I learned how to run a backhoe and learned how to run a loader and a dozer, I'll learn how to run this just as well. So it just takes time with the controls to get everything into your muscle memory of which way to move the controls when you want to do certain things. So I'm just going to play around here a little bit and just start learning. All right, it's really starting to rain and get pretty windy out here, so hope you can still hear me, but we're gonna wrap this video up with some of the projects that we're gonna do is to fix this yard and get some of it smoothed down, get the rocks out of here. We're constantly working on the road, because if you've seen any of those videos, the road is pretty bad. Got firewood to do, help with that. Just anywhere that the backhoe is too big for, then, we can use the skid steer on. So it's gonna be a good asset around here. So anyway, appreciate you watching. We're gonna go try to get dried off and put this thing away. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye, catch you on the next one.
Hey, so welcome back to North Fork. I'm Derek, thanks for joining.
Quick.
Addie, go over there and set it up a little bit somewhere. I'm gonna drive through it, okay?